Hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation titled Exploring Humanistic Theory by Abraham Maslow. First, my name is Sarah Jane Inzan, and today we'll dive into one of the most impactful theories in human development and psychology. Abraham Harold Maslow was born on April 1, 1908 in Brooklyn, New York. He was an American psychologist best known for creating Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This is a simple idea that explains how people have different needs, starting with basic things like foods and safety, and moving up to more personal goals like self-confidence and becoming the best version of themselves. His work has been very important in helping people to understand what motivates us and why we aim for certain things in life. Maslow's ideas are still used today in school, workplace, and many other areas to help people grow and succeed. Maslow's humanistic theory focuses on understanding human behavior by emphasizing individuality, free will, and the pursuit of self-fulfillment. Unlike theories that focuses on deficits, Maslow's theory is rooted in a positive view of human nature. It highlights the importance of achieving personal growth and recognizing individual potential. This theory is important because it helps us understand the motivations behind our actions and the path to achieving a fulfilling life. So, Maslow's explain human motivation based on the pursuit of different level of needs. So, the theory states that humans are motivated to fulfill their needs in a hierarchical order. So this begins with the most basic needs before moving on to more advanced needs. At the heart of Maslow's humanistic theory is the hierarchy of needs. So there are a five-tier pyramid that outlines the different levels of human motivation. So those levels are physiological needs, safety needs, love and belonging, esteem needs, and last, the self-actualization needs. The physiological needs encompass the basic biological necessities for human life, like air, water, food, shelter, and sleep are paramount. Without these essentials, human survival is impossible. Air, the invisible yet indispensable element, is essential for respiration and sustaining life. Water, a vital component of the human body, is crucial for hydration and maintaining bodily function. Food provides the necessary nutrients for energy, growth, and overall bodily function. And shelter offers protection from the elements, providing a safe and secure environment for rest and recovery. Sleep, a fundamental biological process, is essential for physical and mental restoration. Security and safety needs. It lies the desire for personal security. This includes protections from physical harm, such as violence, accidents, and illness. Feeling safe in one's own home and community is paramount. This sense of security extends beyond the physical realm, encompassing emotional and psychological safety as well. Financial security is another crucial aspect of this level. Job security, financial stability, and access to resources are essential for individuals and families to thrive. This includes savings and adequate insurance coverage to protect against unforeseen circumstances. The significance of safety and security needs extend beyond individual well-being. A lack of safety and security can have profound social and economic implications. Without a sense of safety, individuals cannot fully focus on higher level needs such as love, belongingness, and self esteem. Anxiety and stress associated with unmet safety needs can have detrimental effects on mental and physical health. Safety and security needs are fundamental to human well-being. They provide the foundation upon which individuals can build a sense of stability and thrive. At this level, individuals strive to form meaningful relationships with others. This includes intimate relationships with partners, deep friendship, and strong family bonds. The need for love and belonging extends beyond romantic partners, encompassing a broader spectrum of human connection. It includes the desire to feel accepted, valued, and supported by others with social groups, communities, and even broader societal contexts. The significance of love and belonging needs in human development cannot be overstated. These needs are crucial for emotional well-being and psychological growth. Strong social connections provide individuals with a sense of worth. And now, at the fourth level of hierarchy of needs is self-esteem needs. It is the fulfillment of love and belonging needs. These needs encompass the fundamental human desire for respect, recognition, and a self of worth. The fulfillment of self-esteem needs is crucial for psychological well-being and personal growth. When individuals feel valued and respected, they experience increased confidence, motivation, and a sense of purpose. They are more likely to take risks, pursue their goals, and contribute positively to society. Conversely, the lack of self-esteem can have significant negative consequences. Low of self-esteem can lead to feeling of inferiority, insecurity, and lack of motivation. So individuals may struggle to form healthy relationships, achieve their goals, and cope with challenges. The pursuit of self-esteem is an ongoing process. It requires consistent effort and a focus on personal growth and a willingness to learn and develop new skills. Building a self-esteem involves setting realistic goals, celebrating accomplishments, and learning from setbacks. It also involves cultivating a positive self-image, developing a healthy sense of self-worth, and seeking out supportive relationships. Now, we are on the fifth level of hierarchy of needs. It's called self-actualization. So the ultimate goal of human motivation. This level represents the desire to fulfill one's potential, to become the best version of oneself, and to achieve personal growth. It's about realizing one's unique talents, pursuing passions, and living a life of purpose and meaning. So, Maslow emphasized that self-actualization is not a state. It's an ongoing process of personal growth and development. It's about continuously striving to become the best version of oneself, embracing new challenge, and living a life of authenticity and purpose. While not everyone reaches the pinnacle of self-actualization, the pursuit of this level of need can have a profound impact on individual well-being. It fosters a sense of fulfillment, happiness, and a deeper understanding of oneself and the world around us.
Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory has made a major contribution to teaching and classroom management in schools. Rather than reducing behavior to response in the environment, Maslow adopts a holistic approach to education and so in education, Maslow's theory reminds us that students' basic needs must be met before they can fully engage in learning. Number one, understanding student behavior. So teachers can identify unmet needs that may hinder learning. Number two, applications in the classroom. Like strategies like creating a safe and supportive environment can help students feel secure and valued. And number three, addressing diverse learners, providing individualized support, ensure all students can thrive and achieve their full potential.